Did you ever, in your 10-year career, overcompensate in this business for being a female?
No, fortunately, I grew up just assuming that women, if she wanted something done, you do it, you know? I never grew up with, well, it's tougher for a woman to get ahead in the world. It was just, women do it like men do it, you know? I saw my mother get up and go to the factory and come home and cook and clean, and she did everything.
It's an area that I got to ask you about anyway, because I know you're asked a lot. The fact that your music changed style over the last 2-3 years.
This change of direction always tickles me. I've been, it's the old answer. I didn't change my direction, it just was a progression. People who know my albums, my fans who have known my albums, aren't surprised by any kind of direction that I've gone in. But people who just know the singles, they know For Your Eyes Only, they know When It Shines, You Could Have Been With Me, One on Train, so when they hear a dance song, they go, oh, what is this? You know, but anyone who knows the albums, I've been hearing it all along.
I sure like your approach to recording, where you don't produce per se, but you are involved in absolutely everything that goes on.
Well, I don't consider myself experienced enough yet to produce my own records. Maybe someday, but right now, no. But I do have enough experience to trust my instincts. When something isn't right, something that I don't like, I'll have it changed. Maybe throw in a few suggestions on how it should be done. That way it reflects your taste, it reflects how you want it to be. Even if I'm not at the desk controlling the buttons and saying, in order to get this guitar sound, you know, boost this or this in the EQ or put it through the synclav or something. I don't know enough technically to do all of that, but I'm smart enough to get the best producers.